So fentanyl cleaning in itself is fairly new. I'd say within like maybe the last 10 years, it's become a really big problem in the US. The unfortunate part is there's really no set standards for cleaning of labs. Unlike methamphetamine, there's a whole set of standards. The EPA does have a guidance book that they provide to the public on cleaning fentanyl. But not many people even know about this guidance book. It's really, fentanyl itself is very dangerous. I mean, it does not take much to become a fatal dose. So when we get called, usually it's to come and test. So when we go and even test a suspected area, we wear full PPE. We don't let the customer go in there with us to swab the area, and we send that swab off to an registered independent third-party lab to get the results. And if it comes back positive, depending on the amount, the cleanup part of it can be very extensive. I mean, it can involve ripping out all the soft goods like carpeting, couches, all the contents in the home, and depending on where the contamination is in the home, it could relate or could mean that there's some demolition involved. But really, yeah, it comes down to cleaning. They're not even really sharing what the best chemicals right now to clean fentanyl is. So the research is out there. We're waiting for companies to come up with really good products. There's a few of them out there, but there's not a whole lot, unlike meth cleaning. So we'll follow the best practices that are out there and available right now. And then after we feel that we're done, we'll post-test that area and verify that it was in fact clean. Post-testing is done just like the initial testing. It goes off to a registered third-party lab.